Good afternoon, friends. In the last lecture, we was discussing the chapter of integration. We just started the method of integration of parts. Just we revise the forms, then we start the examples of integration by parts and the different methods. See? Now see on the screen the formula about the integration of parts is, I'll revise again. Integration of u into v dx equals to u into integral v dx minus integration, is a bracket, you write down compulsory, derivative of u respect to x into integration of v respect to x, simplification complete, then integrate respect to x. Last time we have discussed the one question is the integration of x into e raised to x. Please just revise. On the same way, we will discuss the second question. You may see here the second question. The selection of the u and v is depend upon LAE. LE stands for logarithm, A is for arithmetic, and E stands for exponential. Now see. Next example is integration of x square into e raised to x dx. This is a new sum. Here you can say x square is a part of arithmetic and e raised to x is a part of exponential. Now u is x square and v is e raised to x. You can substitute the value in the formula about the integration of parts. Now see. U as it is, x square as it is, into integration of v minus integration bracket of d by dx of x square, integration of e raised to x dx, bracket over dx. First you substitute the value in the formula. Now the next step is x square integration of e raised to x, is e raised to x, minus integration of bracket of, you must be know the derivative of x square is 2x, integration of the e raised to x is e raised to x dx. Clear? These are steps. 2 is the constant value you can take outside from the integration. What you write now? X square into e raised to x minus 2 integration of x into e raised to x. First part is okay, no problem. Minus 2 is okay. Now read these steps first carefully. This step is written as x into e raised to x. Means again you have to solve the second part of the example by integration part, because you are getting multiplication of x into e raised to x. Means the first question is repeated in the second steps. First question is repeated in the second step. Now this portion you have to find integration by parts. Now the next step is, the first term is x square into e raised to x as it is, no change, minus 2 as it is. The next part is, I have to integrate x into e raised to x by integration of parts. Again I repeat, the x is u and v is e raised to x. Again you have to substitute this value in the integration of parts formula. Now what to write? U is x into integration of e raised to x dx minus integration of bracket of d by dx of x, integration of e raised to x dx, bracket over dx, big bracket over, separate part, right? This part is separate. Integration of x into e raised to x is separate part. Equals to x square into e raised to x minus 2 as it is, x as it is, integration of e raised to x is e raised to x, means minus 2 bracket of x into e raised to x, minus integration of derivative of x is 1, integration of e raised to x is e raised to x dx. Clear? Now we can open the bracket with 2. What do you write? X square into e raised to x minus 2 x e raised to x minus plus 2 x square into e raised to x minus 2x e raised to x minus plus 2. 1 into e raised to x is e raised to x dx. Right? Then this term is very simple to integrate. What to write now? X square into e raised to x minus 2x e raised to x plus 2. Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x plus 3. This is the last term. Is said to be integral constants. Now see, from these 3 steps you can eliminate e raised to x. We can write x square minus 2x plus 2 bracket over e raised to x plus 3. This way we can solve this example. Integration of x square into e raised to x. 3 functions are to be proposed: logarithm, arithmetic function and exponential. Now see, on that way we can discuss more one question of this type of. Read this question first carefully. It simply is given integration log x dx. Derivative of log x you know 1 upon x, but integration of log x that is not given. But log x you can solve by integration of part, there is no other method. The question arises here how to solve the example. We require u and v. Here at least only one function is given. For the solution of this example, you can write log x into 1 dx. Right? You can write log x into 1 dx because 1 is neutral value for multiplication. Now you must be understand log x is the L, 1 is the part of arithmetic, this is a constant term, you may consider as a v. Log x is u and 1 is v. You can substitute this value in the formula again. The what to write now?
Hello, sir.
Yes?
Sir, please re-explain the previous one.
Are you absent or present?
I am present, sir.
Which step you don't understand?
Sir, from third step.
Which third step? These third steps? These steps?
Next of this.
Okay. Are you okay up to this?
Yes.
Okay. X square into e raised to x term is same. Minus 2 as it is. See, read the term first carefully. This term is given x into e raised to x. Again, you have to solve this example, this part by integration of parts again because a multiple function is given. Then you do the separate integration of this. Now see, x square e raised to x, no change, minus 2, no change, again x and e raised to x. What do you say? X is a part of u because it's an arithmetic sum, and e raised to x is a part of exponential, is e raised to x is a v. I mean u is x and v is e raised to x. Right? Now see, here I have put up these two terms. First term is x square into e raised to x, no change, minus 2 as it is. Separate bracket is for the second term integration by parts. Clear? U integration of v dx is e raised to x minus integration derivative of x is u integration of v dx bracket over dx. In the bracket you have to simplify first, then you open the bracket. Now see, x square into e raised to x, no change, minus 2 as it is, x as it is, integration e raised to x is e raised to x, minus term, no change, integration, what is derivative of x? 1, integration of e raised to x dx. Clear? Now, open the bracket now, x square into e raised to x same, minus 2x e raised to x same, minus plus 2, what we have? we have function 1 into e raised to x, that is e raised to x. What is e raised to x integration? E raised to x. Now from these three terms, we may eliminate e raised to x because this is a common factor or to be a common term. In bracket we can write x square minus 2x plus 2 into e raised to x plus c. Is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please see, concentrate here. This is a good question. Log x you can't integrate because there is no possibility of log x as a single function. Therefore, we should write into 1. You may write 1 because 1 is neutral value for multiplication. Now what is u? L is logarithm and 1 is the arithmetic. According to LAE, L stands first, that means that is u. Now see, integration of log x is u, 1 is v. Substitute this value in this form, means log x into integration of 1 dx minus integration of. तब भी आप एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन बाद सॉल्व कर सकते हो, आपके सामने फॉर्मूला होनी चाहिए. अगर आपको याद है तो ठीक है, पहले आप फॉर्म में लिखो, फॉर्म में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो वैल्यू, बाद में इंटीग्रेट करो, राइट. माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ब्रैकेट ऑफ d by dx of log x into integration of 1 dx bracket over dx. Simply I have substitute the value of log x and 1 instead of their stage. Integration of 1 dx is x. Then you may write this first step is x into log x minus integration of. The derivative of log x is 1 upon x into integration of 1 is x dx, right. Now what we got finally, this x will be cancelled, clear. Now we have the next step of the integration of this step is this. X into log x minus integral 1 dx. This is the final simplification of the second steps. Again you know integration of 1 is x. Now what to write now? X into log x minus x plus c. From these two terms you may eliminate x, we can get this way log x minus 1 plus c. This we can get the option. X into bracket of log x minus 1 plus c. Still the method of integration of part is continue. The next example is integration of x into log x dx. You must be understand, we have two functions. One is x, other is log x. What is x? Arithmetic. What is log x? Logarithm. So according to LAE, we may say that this function is u and this must be v. Okay? Log x is u and x is v. Substitute this value of this in the integration of parts formula. The what to write now? Equal to, we can say that log x is u into integration of x means x is to 1 dx. This is the meaning of x. Minus integration bracket of d by dx of u means log x into integration of x is to 1 dx bracket over dx. Substitute the value in the formula. Log x into integration of x is to 1 dx minus integration of derivative of log x into integration of x is to 1 dx bracket over dx. X is to 1, this is the formula of x is to n dx. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? x is to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. x is to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This is the answer of the statement. What is integration of x is to 1? You may write this to be x square by 2 into log x. The first part integration is over. Integration of x raised to 1 is a x raised to 1 plus 1 is 2 upon 2 into log x minus derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Next, integration of x raised to 1. Again you can write x square upon 2 because we are finding integration, not derivative. Right? 1 upon 2 into x square upon 2. Integration of x raised to 1 is x square upon 2. Simplify the term. Equal to x square into log x upon 2. Here it is 1 upon 2 is a constant term, take it to be outside. X square upon x is x raised to 1 dx again. Right? X square into log x by 2 minus 1 upon 2 into x raised to 1 dx. To simplify only one this, x raised to 1 dx, again you can take the formula integration of n dx, integration of x raised to n is equals to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Then finally we can write this way, the sentence is x square into log x by 2 minus 1 upon 2 integration of x raised to 1 is x square by 2 again. X raised to 1 plus 1 is x square by 2 plus c. See, always you to put up at computation of integration in only in indefinite integration. Right? Which step is common? This may be an option of the question. Examine, they ask this way, x square into log x by 2 minus x square upon 4 plus c. This may ask in option. Otherwise, if they are going to step for simplification, they may write this way. X square upon 2 is a common. What we write? Log x minus 1 upon 2 plus c. Clear? What we have to deliver the question here, they are specially based on integration by parts only. In the function may be logarithm or arithmetic or exponential. इनसे ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं पूछने वाले हैं. अगर log पूछेंगे, log के साथ x होगा, x square होगा, e raised to x आएगा. Right? Clear? Now we discuss the next method. अब जब भी मेथड में जाएंगे तो एग्जाम्पल कम हो जाएंगे. अब जितनी मेथड आगे होगी उनमें क्या होगा? एग्जाम्पल कम होगा. वो तो आपको चाहिए, एग्जाम्पल कम चाहिए आपको. See the next method. Now the new method. This is the statement of new method. Integration bracket of fx plus f less x into e raised to x dx equals to fx into e raised to x plus c. Now we are discussing the example based on these specific methods. Right? क्या लिखा है? Function है a. With what is the function? fx. What the next point? f raised x means derivative of given function. fx plus f raised x. That's to be plus, not minus. function plus function's derivative bracket over e raised to x dx equals to, क्या लिखना पड़ेगा आपको लास्ट में? Function is fx into e raised to x plus c. If you know the function, then you can write directly function into e raised to x plus c. मगर डेरिवेटिव प्लस में होना जरूरी है, अगर नहीं है तो आपको सेट करना पड़ेगा, राइट? Hardly 4 or 5 questions based on this. Now see the first question. Integration of x upon x plus 1 the whole square into e raised to x. पहले टर्म पढ़िए, क्या लिखा है? x upon x plus 1 square into e raised to x dx. e raised to x दिया है आपको? दिया है. The function is fx and f plus x is not clear yet, because instead of function and f plus x, the statement is x upon x plus 1 square, x upon x plus 1 square. अब हमको x upon x plus 1 square स्टेप से उनको फंक्शन और डेरिवेटिव में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो लॉजिक क्या होगा? Which term is higher? We have two terms. The one term is x, second term is x plus 1. X plus 1 term is higher than x. We have to adjust lower according to higher. Higher is what? X plus 1 square. I repeat the sentence again. We have to adjust the lower term according to higher term. What is the higher term? The higher term is given x plus 1 the whole square. Lower term is given x. In numerator, you may write x plus 1 minus 1. Right? You may write x plus 1 minus 1. What is x plus 1 minus 1? That is x. This is only question we are doing for the adjustment of function n f plus x. Right? This is the innovative steps. Now see, next point. X plus 1 upon x plus 1 square. See about this function. X plus 1 upon x plus 1 square. 1x plus 1 will be cancelled. What we get here? 1 upon x plus 1. Clear? This x plus 1 part is over now. What the next part? Minus 1 upon x plus 1 square. You may write the minus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. Into the last term is e raised to x dx. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन हो गया आपके लिए. याद करनी पड़ेगी फॉर्मूला डेरिवेटिव की. व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 अपॉन x? यस, माइनस 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 अपॉन x? माइनस 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर. देन व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1? सेम, माइनस 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1 स्क्वायर. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Same way you can say derivative of 1 upon x plus 1, that is minus 1 upon x plus 1 square. तो फंक्शन क्या हुआ? fx is this. What is this part? Derivative. Function plus f plus x into e raised to x. देख लो फॉर्मूला क्या लिखा है? Function into e raised to x plus b. Straight away you can write. फंक्शन क्या है? हाँ, 1 upon x plus 1 fx into e raised to x plus c. This we can solve this example. Function plus derivative into e raised to x equal to function into e raised to x plus c. Right? The same way you may see the second example. This question they have asked in the last repeated exams. Now this may be this question. I am going to take this, not to be asked just now. The same concept. Here we have the term 1 plus x upon 2 plus x whole square into e raised to x dx. E raised to x is given already. E raised to x. Here we have two functions, one in numerator, other in denominator. The numerator is given 1 plus x and denominator is given 2 plus x. Which function is higher? Denominator? Obviously, you may say yes. Denominator function is higher than numerator. Because the denominator is given 2 plus x and numerator is given 1 plus x. According to higher function, you should adjust the lower function. I repeat again, according to the higher function, you have to adjust the lower function. What is the higher function? 2 plus x the whole square. Write down first very clearly. Numerator is given 1 plus x. First of all, you should write down 2 plus x. Then what to write the next step? Minus 1. Because the 2 plus x minus 1, that is 1 plus x, equation term is satisfied. No disturbance in the original and the next term. Fine. This logic is very important for this example. What to say now? 2 plus x upon 2 plus x whole square must be equal to 1 upon 2 plus x. I repeat again, 2 plus x upon 2 plus x whole square is equal to 1 upon 2 plus x. What to be next steps? Minus 1 upon 2 plus x whole square bracket over e raised to x dx. I hope so you got the answer, right? If the fx is 1 upon x, derivative is minus 1 upon x square. On the same way you can say, if the fx is 1 upon 2 plus x, then derivative part is minus 1 upon 2 plus x the whole square. Now what we say? This part is function, this part is derivative of the function into e raised to x is given. Then you can write direct answer, fx into e raised to x means 1 upon 2 plus x into e raised to x dx. Okay, smoothly you concentrate in your minds, adjust the phenomena, basic thoughts. These are very easy questions. According to the theory point, you should discuss the examples. ये अभी तक पूछा नहीं है. This question not they have asked yet. What I taking the next question they have asked in August exam in 07. एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व होने के बाद आप ऐसे कहोगे कि दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट आई एम सॉल्विंग हियर दिस इज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन कंपेयर्ड टू फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. दिस क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी आस्क्ड इन ऑगस्ट एग्जाम in non-leak paper. There were two papers. August one paper was leak, second paper was non-leak. This exam they put up in non-leak paper. See, very simple. X upon x square क्या लिखेंगे? 1 upon x. No adjustment now. X upon x square. What is x upon x square? 1 upon x. Next step, minus 1 upon x square. Bracket over. Bracket over. E raised to x dx. Integration 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square into e raised to x dx. You can do separate terms this way. Clear?
Hello.
Yes.
For in formula,
हाँ
x plus f dash x
सही है.
is given, and in our example,
हाँ
fx minus f dash x is given.
please you continue my first. I may write also this way. You can write the plus bracket of minus of this. Is okay?
Okay, sir.
Now please continue my first. Here is okay. You may write this way, step this way. right? Okay, these steps. Clear?
Okay, sir.
ओके अब बड़े हो गए, अब ज्यादा स्टेप नहीं लेते हम, राइट? एफ एक्स प्लस एफ प्लस एक्स प्लस भी हो सकता है, माइनस भी हो सकता है. यू मे राइट दिस टाइम्स नेक्स्ट 1/x फंक्शन है, देख लो आप. फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? -1/x पे क्या लिखेंगे हम? 1/x इंटू ई रेज टू एक्स प्लस सी. आप देख सकते हो इन द अमाउंट ऑफ 3 क्वेश्चन, दिस क्वेश्चन वॉज द इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन, दिस दे हैव पुट अप. मीन्स सीपीटी एग्जाम में डिफिकल्ट एग्जाम कभी नहीं होता है. जितना यहां से डिलीवर होता है वो करके जाओ, राइट? यू विल एंजॉय द आफ्टर एग्जामिनेशन, नॉट बिफोर. This the third question. Or the same way you can say the last question of this method is the e raised to x upon x into x log x square plus 2 log x dx. This example is very much easy, but according to formula we have to adjust. Now see the form first. This form is very much important. E raised to x is the last part. In the front part you have to write as fx plus fx, no denominator. On that way you have to adjust this example. See, e raised to x to be given in the multiple first, you should take it last. So what to write? Right? E raised to x is given in the front, you should take it last because it's requirement. What the next step? 1/x. We don't require. Therefore, this first step is bracket, outside bracket 1/x, that you multiply the terms. What to write? X into log x square into 1/x plus 2 log x upon x. This way you can write. So what is simplification? Integration bracket of log x square plus 2 log x upon x. मैंने पहले भी बोला था, जब भी आप इंटीग्रेशन करते हो तब डेरिवेटिव का रिवीजन चालू रखिएगा. द सेम क्वेश्चन वी हैव सॉल्व इन डेरिवेटिव. यहां आप देख सकते हो फंक्शन क्या है? log x square. Sorry, what's the part of function? This is fx. What is part? f plus x. याद है आपको? See the revision. Suppose log x is m square. What is the area of m square? 2m, means 2 log x. M square is 2m, is 2 log x. What is m? Log x. What is derivative of log x? 1/x. You got the answer? This is the part of function, this is the part of derivative of the function, fx plus f raised to x into e raised to x is given. You got the answer? What to write now? Is equal to fx into e raised to x plus c. Clear? These are the examples of these specific methods. Integration of the fx plus f raised to x into e raised to x dx. Here. Now see, the next formula I have left in theory point, this is formula number 10, 11. On that basis to be last technique, examples of indefinite part. You see. Clear? Now the next formula is very easy formula. You can substitute the value directly in this form. The last point of discussion for the indefinite integrations, right? Formula is integration of square root of x squared plus a squared dx. This is point number theory of this. I think so. That is 10-11 formula. X squared plus a squared dx. The formula is to be x by 2 into square root of x squared plus a squared plus a square by 2 into logarithm of modulus x plus root of x squared plus a squared mod complete plus c. This is the first formula in base of root of x squared plus a squared dx. And the another form is integration square root of x squared minus a squared dx equal to x by 2 into square root of x squared minus a squared minus a squared upon 2 into log of modulus x plus root of x squared minus a squared mod complete plus c. If we solve the example by this method, the one formula I am writing here, this already discussed in the classroom, but I repeat. This the next formula is important. This I discussed in the last lecture. That is integration dx upon root of x squared plus a squared. This is only for the revision purpose, but this formula is a part of this example. Integration dx upon x squared plus a squared equal to, you may write, is a logarithm of modulus x plus square root of x squared plus a squared plus c. And if the formula is dx upon x root of x squared minus a squared dx is given, if the dx upon root of x squared minus a squared is given, then you may write this form logarithm of x plus root of x squared minus a squared plus c. Right? Now I am discussing the example based on these three structures. I repeat again the forms. Integration of dx integration of root of x squared plus a squared dx, the first formula. How to read the form? X by 2 root of x squared plus a squared plus a squared upon 2 plus a squared upon 2 into log of modulus x plus root of x squared plus a squared mod complete plus c. This is the first formula. You may see here. Second formula is integration of root of x squared minus a squared dx is given. Then you can write x by 2 square root of x squared minus a squared upon 2. You should be very careful in there about the plus minus sign. Minus a squared upon 2 logarithm of modulus x plus root of x squared minus a squared plus c. Second formula. And this form I have written for revision purpose because this is the application of these several examples. Right? Dx upon root of x squared plus a squared, then the formation is logarithm of modulus x plus root of x squared plus a squared plus c. And if this form is given, integration of dx upon root of x squared minus a squared dx, then you can write logarithm of x plus, यहाँ चेंज नहीं है, x plus root of x squared minus a squared plus c. Two forms new, one is revision part of you. Right? Now see the example. First example is integration of x squared plus 16 dx. This example is applicable with the first formula, x squared plus a squared. A squared is 16, don't take 16 square. X squared plus this part is given a square. A square is what? 16. Then a square is 16. Then what is the a? 4. This value, this formula, you can substitute this formula directly. This is the answer of the terms. What do you write now? X by 2 square root of x square plus a square means x square plus 16 plus a square is 16 by 2 into logarithm of मॉड्यूलस देखिए यहाँ x लिखा है प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर प्लस 16 mod complete plus 3. Answer. You may write the little more simplification. You may write this final term this way. Is equal to, you may say this x by 2 into square root of x square plus 16 plus 16 by 2 is 8 into log of modulus x plus root of x square plus 16 mod complete plus 3. This is the answer of the root of x square plus 16 dx. Fine. Now see, next. Integration of root of x square minus 7. This example is related with the second formula. Integration of root of x square minus a square. A square is 7. Don't take 49. It's wrong. What is the values to be given that you consider as a square? Right? What the formula? You can substitute the value in this form directly. Is equal, you can say that x by 2 into root of x square minus 7. X square minus a square. Minus a square means minus 7 upon 2. Don't to write 7 by 2 is 3.5. The option they never be put that way. 7 by 2 is given, the 7 by 2 they will ask. Right? X by 2 root of x square minus 7 minus a square upon 2 into log of modulus x plus root of x square minus 7 mod complete plus 3. This way you may solve second question. Integration is very much easier comparing to derivative. But if the derivative is strong, then integration is easier. Clear? These are straightaway examples. These are examples, are straight examples. You may get directly x square plus a square form and x square minus a square form. But see, the last two examples of this chapter, the next example is x square dx upon root x square plus 1. Directly you can't apply this formula. You go for some different kind of simplification. See, here we have two functions. One is x square, other is x square plus 1. Obviously you can judge easily x square plus 1 function is higher than x square. You have to adjust lower according to higher. This similar logic is you can use when the function is algebraic. Equal to, you can write integration of x square plus 1 minus 1 upon square root of x square plus 1 dx. This we can write. The next step is equal to, you can write the x square plus 1 upon root x square plus. So you can take separate terms. Okay, what we take? Term are to be in separate form. Then we get the exact solution of the equations. X square plus 1 upon root x square plus 1. Minus integration. Minus 1 into dx means dx upon root x square plus 1. This way you can take separate terms. X square plus 1 upon root x square plus 1 dx minus integration of dx upon root x square plus 1. X square plus 1 upon root x square plus 1 is what? Here power is 1, here it is 1 by 2. What you get? Root x square plus 1 dx. Right? You know the x upon root x is root x. Same way, x square plus 1 upon root x square plus 1, that is equal to root x square plus 1. Minus Integration of dx upon root x square plus 1. Clear? This example is the first formula and this is what? Third formula. That I given. I also said this third form is much more repeating times in the example. You may see this is a formula of the dx upon x square plus a square. You may write logarithm of modulus x plus root of x square plus a square. If it's a minus, then you can write minus here. Now what about the first formula? This is the first step, is the first applicable, and second part is the third application. Right? You may get the answer. Root x square plus a square is 1. What you write? X by 2 into root of x square plus 1 plus a square means 1 upon 2 into log of modulus x plus root of x square plus 1. प्लस सी आप पहले लिखो, आप बाद में लिखो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एग्जाम्पल कंप्लीट होने के बाद प्लस सी लिखो, वो जरूरी है. बीच में प्लस सी प्लस बी आपको सी गिनना नहीं है. डोंट राइट 5c 10c. You can write down c at last after completion of whole integrations. Right? It is essential. Minus dx upon root x square plus a square means root x square plus 1. What to write? Minus log of modulus x plus root x square plus 1. Plus c. You may write plus c at last. In this step there is no change. What we write? X by 2 into root of x square plus 1, no change. In these two terms, this is a log term is a common. Okay? This log of modulus x plus root x square plus 1 is a common. If we eliminate this, what we get in the bracket? Plus of bracket of, this is 1 upon 2. This is 1, means 1 upon 2 minus 1 into log of modulus x plus root of x square plus 1. You must be concentrate on the part of simplification, there and then you understand. Okay? This is a plus 1 upon 2, this must be minus 1 because the log of modulus x plus root x square plus 1 is the common part. What do you write about 1 upon 2 minus 1? That is the minus 1 upon 2. This is the answer of the terms. What the next steps? X by 2 into root of x square plus 1. 1 upon 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 2 into log of modulus x plus root of x square plus 1 plus c. Answer of the question. Clear? The next and the last question of this chapter is the same question but it's slightly changed. You may see here the last question is the x square plus 1 upon root x square plus 4 dx. Same thought. X square plus 4 is the higher than x square plus 1. According to higher, you to adjust the lower. Then you may write the statement this way. No change in denominator. Numerator requires x square plus 4, then you may write x square plus 4. But actual function is the x square plus 1, then you may write minus 3. Clear? X square plus 4 minus 3 is x square plus 1. Now you can take this partition of the form. What's the partition now? Equal to, you can say that the integration of the x square plus 4 upon root x square plus 4 dx minus integration, this is the second part is 3 upon root x square plus 4. Clear? Same steps, the x upon root x is x. Now we can say that x square plus 4 upon root x square plus 4 also root x square plus 4. Next step is what? Root x square plus 4 dx. Minus 3 is common, is a constant term, integration dx upon root x square plus 4. Same formula. This method and the examples are not difficult, but you must be over-concentrated on this part of calculus. This is the form of the root of x square plus a square. The a square is 4. Now we can write this answer of the root x square plus 4 is x by 2 into root of x square plus 4 minus a square by 2. A square by 2 means how much? 4 by 2 log of modulus x plus root of x square plus 4. Mod complete. X by 2 into root x square plus 4 minus a square is 4 upon 2 into log of modulus x plus root x square plus 4, right? Minus, sorry, here the x square plus 4 is given, write down plus 4, there is a mistake here, this is plus 4, okay. Plus 4 upon 2, this is a plus 4. Minus 3 into log of dx upon root x square plus a square is equal to log of modulus x plus root x square plus 4 plus c. These are steps of calculations. Clear? Now, the stage of simplification. First step, there is no change. What to write? X by 2 into root of x square plus 4 plus 4 upon 2 is 2 log of modulus x plus root of x square plus 4, mod complete. Last term is same, no change, minus 3 log of modulus x plus root of x square plus 4 plus c. Again the first step is as it is, no change, equal to x by 2 into root of x square plus 4, no change. Are these two steps coefficients are same? Yes. What we get? 2 log of minus 3 log of 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. What the final simplification? 2 minus 3 is minus 1. What to write? Minus log modulus of x plus root x square plus 4 plus 3. Clear? This end of portion of the indefinite integration examples. Indefinite and definite are the part of this integral calculus. This is a slightly longer and second part is quite shorter. But the most important point is what? All the theory points of the indefinite integration are the part of definite integration. And in this definite integral part, in the part of definite integration, first I discuss the theory point, first theory, then example, second theory example, third theory example. But you should remember all the formula of the chapter of indefinite integration. These are 100% connected to next point. Hardly 3 or 4 new rules for this chapter. Okay. What is the difference between the indefinite and the definite integration? Indefinite integration, there is no boundary. Definite integration, there is certain boundary. All electronics media items are basically depend upon parts of definite integral. Your mobile, if you see on mobile, the circuit is said to be integrated circuits. Green signals, green color को होती है ना, वो this case to be integrated circuits. The integrated circuits is depend upon definite integration because range or RAM is fixed. 256 KB, 512, 1024, 1 GB, 2 GB, iPod. All the electronic items, including laser technology, is basically the functionally is depend upon definite integration. In your mobile, you may store maximum 300 names and profiles, not more than 300. This is the limit. This is said to be definite integral limit. 0 to 300 you may store. If you want to store more after 300 and 301 after, then the software will ask you for deleting the items. That is said to be definite integration. This is what I am talking about. This is a hardware. What you are using software with a different button, this is a software. Clear? In the definite integration, it consists with the limits. You can see here the limit is given a to b integration fx dx. किस तरह बोलेंगे हम? Integration a to b fx dx. This a is said to be lower limit of integration and b is said to be upper limit of integration. Means the boundaries are fixed. If the boundaries are fixed in the any integration, there is no need to write plus d or arbitrary constant. You will get the exact integration. In previous chapter, we are writing always plus d because the integration is indefinite, right? Indefinite integrations. There is no certain boundaries. कोई भी आइटम आप चेक कर लो, क्या होगा पीछे? इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट्स. This is the carburetor. Mobile, iPod, camera, CD, DVD, ROM, कोई भी देख लो, राइट? हम तो सिर्फ क्या करते, बटन दबाते, बात करते, हेलो हाउ आर यू, हाउ टू यू, सिर्फ बातें करते. But actually, this is completely depend upon the part of calculus. Clear? This A is said to be lower limit of integration and B is said to be upper limit of integration. Lower to upper. Fx dx. Integration of fx is capital Fx is running from A to B. This is a new point of this chapter. Only new point of this chapter. Integration of fx is capital Fx is running from A to B. After completion of integration, what to write? Integrate value running from A to B. What is upper limit? B. Lower limit A. After completion of integration in the function, instead of variable, you have to substitute the upper value. Put x equal to B. What we get? FB. Minus put x equal to A. What we get? FA. F of upper minus f of lower. This point is said to be the definition of integral calculus. Definition of the definite integral. You may write direct statement this way: integration of a to b fx dx is equal to fb minus fa. The examples are very easy, but you have to concentrate on the limits. Clear? integral a to b fx dx equal to integration of fx is capital Fx is running from a to b, lower to upper. After completion of integration, instead of variable, you can take x is equal to b, mean f of upper minus f of lower. This is the only new point of this next chapter, first point. Now we discuss the example. First example is integration running from 0 to 1 into e raised to 2x dx. This example basically depends upon the past chapter. I have given the formula e raised to ax plus b. I have given the formula last time also. Integration of f of ax plus b is equal to 1 upon a capital F of ax plus b. Method of substitution की last form पढ़िए, लिखा है सर. So what is integration of e raised to 2x? E raised to 2x integration is e raised to 2x into coefficient of x is 2 into 1 upon 2 is running from 0 to 1. Clear? Integration of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x into 1 upon 2. Which formula? See the method of substitution by title. I have given the formula integration of f of ax plus b is equal to 1 upon a capital F of ax plus b. Integration e raised to coefficient of x is 2 means 1 upon 2. Over. Now 1 upon 2 is not affected. Instead of x you can write 1. 2 into 1 is 2 means e square. Instead of x you can write 0. E raised to 2 into 0 is e raised to 0. What to write the answer now? 1 upon 2 into e square minus 1. Right? This is the answer of the terms. 1 upon 2 into e square minus 1. Fine. First example. Second. Integration of 1 to 4 1 upon x dx. It's very easy sum. Directly you can say the formula integration of 1 upon x is what? Log mod x. क्या लिखेंगे हम? Log mod x. Last time we have revised this form. Integration of 1 upon x is what? Log mod x. What is x? Upper limit 4. You may substitute 4 is log mod 4 is log 4. Minus f of upper minus f of lower, you may substitute 1. Log modulus 1 is log 1. Clear? What is log 1? 0. Chapter number 2, logarithm. Log 4 minus 0 is log 4. Second step. Integration of 1 upon x dx is equals to log mod x running from 1 to 4. Put x equal to 4 is log 4. Put x equal to 1, log 1. Log 1 is 0. Log 4 by the 0, that is log 4. The next term. These are also I have given in this formula also integration of f of ax plus b. आपके सामने देखिए, आपको याद है या नहीं है सेकंड चीजें. Please revise this form first. Integration of f of ax plus b. I have given the example also last time. Integration of f, यही example था, लिखिए बुक में. Integration of f of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 upon a capital F of ax plus b. So what is integration of dx upon 2x minus 3? There is a logarithm formula, log modulus 2x minus 3. because integration 1 upon x is log x. What is the coefficient of x? 2. क्या लिखा है? 2. तो what is the outside? 1 by 2. Limit 0 to 1. Integration 1 upon x dx is log mod x. Same way you can say that integration of dx upon 2x minus 3 is log modulus 2x minus 3 into 1 upon a is 1 upon 2. Fine? आप देख सकते हो फॉर्मूला लिखा ही है मैंने, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f ऑफ ax plus b is equal to 1 upon a कैपिटल f of ax plus b. लिखने के बाद are given 3 consecutive forms. Right? Now what the limit? 0 to 1 you can substitute instead of x 1 upon 2 log of modulus, put x equal to 1, that is 2 minus 3 is the minus 1, right? Minus log of modulus, put x equal to 0, this 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Modulus of minus 1 is the plus 1. 1/2 log 1 minus log 3. Log 1 is 0. 1 upon 2. 0 minus log 3. You may write minus 1/2 log 3. Examiners may ask this option. They may ask. अदरवाइज उसको ज्यादा परेशान करना है आपको तो ये पूछेंगे. दे मे राइट ऑप्शन दिस में माइनस लॉग ऑफ 3 raised to half. तो 3 raised to half is root 3 means minus log root 3. The chapter is same as previous, only thing is the a to b limit is given.
हेलो सर.
यस बोलिए.
सर कैन यू एक्सप्लेन
Which one?
step again?
Which sum? This sum?
Sir.
Okay. This sum? Okay. I have given the formula, you may see in this book, integration of a f of ax plus b. हाँ क्या लिखा है? 1 upon a capital F of ax plus b लिखा है हमने. This formula I given last time. Clear? Now see, on the same way you can say integration of e raised to 2x plus 3 is given. So what to write? E raised to x is e raised to x means e raised to 2x plus 3 into coefficient of x is 2. Then we can write 1 by 2. This is exponential term. Okay. Next formula integration dx upon 5x plus 7. Right? Next formula integration dx upon 5x plus 7. So what to write here? Which formula remember? Integration 1 upon x dx. Yes? बोलिए.
So in previous sum,
हाँ.
can we do of log 1 minus log 3, can we make that 1 upon 3?
You may write.
And thus can we write the answer as half into log 1 upon 3?
Half into log 1 upon 3 you can write as log of root of 1 by 3.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. The integration of dx upon 5x plus 7, this is formula is same as integration of dx upon x. Integration of 1 upon x is log. What integration of 1 upon x is log? Is you can write log of modulus 5x plus 7. Right? Into coefficient of x is 5. 1 by 5. This is the same as this. सही है? It's okay. Log modulus 2x minus 3 into 1/2 is the coefficient of x is 2 is given. Limit is given 0 to 1. You can substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. If you substitute the upper limit 1, you can write 2 into 1 is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is log minus 1, mod minus 1, minus log of. If you put 0 instead of x, we can say 0 minus 3 is log minus 3. You can write log 1 minus log 3. You can write log 1 minus log 3. You may write 1 upon 2. You may write 0 minus log 3 or minus 1 half log 3 or minus 1 half log 3 raised to half or minus log root 3 raised to half. Otherwise, if you see take this decision to be in divert form, this you can write as 1 half log 1 by 3. Right? Yeah, I got this different solution from the other center. If you can write 1 half log 1 by 3. Log A minus log B is log A upon B. On that basis, you can write is equal to log of root of 1 by 3. Clear? These are various options you will get. Question is same, you are getting various options. Exam may put this option is minus 1 half log 3. सिंपल आदमी आएगा मेरे जैसा तो पूछेगा चलो जाने दो सबको माइनस 1 हाफ लॉग 3. ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा तो पूछेगा चलो सबको परेशान करना है तो ये आस्क माइनस लॉग रूट 3. मिडल हो रहेगा ओके दे आस्क दिस वे log root of 1 by 3. But everything is depend upon the logarithm fundamental. These are basic. Yes? Now see. This is a very simple question. You understand this integration is given dx upon integration of 0 to 1 2x dx upon 5x square plus 1. Suppose if we consider this function, this is a part of function fx. Fx is 5x square plus 1. So what is the part of derivative of 5x square plus 1? Tell me. So here, what is derivative of 5x square plus 1 derivative? 10x. It is given? No. What is given in numerator? 2x. For creating the steps of 10x, you can multiply and divide by 5. X dx upon 5x square plus 1. This is fx, this to be f plus x. This is a clear formula we have. Integration of f plus x upon fx dx is equal to log mod fx. You may multiply and divide, right? This belongs to math fundamentals. Base of 1 upon 5 into log of modulus 5x square plus 1 running from 0 to 1 or is 0 to 1. Log modulus 5x square plus 1 running from 0 to 1. 1 upon 5 into f plus x upon fx dx is equal to log mod fx. Substitute the value. X is 1. So क्या आएगा? 1 upon 5 log. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6 minus log. If you put 0 then 0 plus 1 is 1. Log 6 minus log 1 you can write log 6 upon 1. Add the 6 log 6 or log 1 you can take as a 0. What will be the answer? Is the 1 upon 5 log 6 this to be optional. Okay. Examiners may ask 1 upon 5 log 6 or they may ask the log of 5th root of 6. Both are applicable. 1 upon 5 log 6 or log of 5th root of 6. Clear? Today we have just finished the chapter of indefinite integration. That is just we started. Tomorrow is going to complete. And the most important thing is what? Tomorrow I will start this chapter sequence and series. means APGP, I request to all the students of this SLP, you come with this, not the book of McGraw-Hill now, you should come with the spiral. जो आपको दी है spiral, you come with the spiral, not the module. Tomorrow, you come with a spiral. We discuss all spiral questions are just 39 to 40 examples of the APGP chapters. You may refer the page in the spiral, you may refer the page number 65, this chapter is to be given sequence series. Tomorrow, I am going to complete this chapter. Tomorrow, not today. Today is okay, because it's Sunday. Enjoy the days now. Not enjoy days, you should enjoy days in reading, because you are the only one option for occasion now. There are last and at least five of the final stages. Clear? Tomorrow we discuss the same method, still continue. I will solve 1-2 examples. But don't forget, first important thing, I will discuss all questions of what? याद रहा नहीं रहा? Module. Sorry, spiral. You come with a spiral. अरियन इंस्टीट्यूट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से जो आपको भेजी है बुक वो लेके आइएगा. इट्स अ बुक ऑफ क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड. कल लेके आइएगा. कल लेक्चर लंबा है, 3 to 6 का टाइमिंग है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो जो आप ज्यादा दिन से आप तैयार कर रहे हो कैलकुलस को, दिस गोइंग टू कंप्लीट टुमारो, एंड टुमारो आई विल स्टार्ट योर चॉइस चैप्टर्स. क्लियर? And one more important thing, in many different franchises, I got this message from the India's paper. I already sent the solution of the papers. I request to all franchises, Aryan family members, I request you give this to students for reference. I have given also the master answers. And today or tomorrow, I will send you to the typical question that students of these franchises of SLP, they are not solving of the India's logarithm chapter and the limit continuity. I am sending the solutions to you. But it will take time, at least 2 days, please. Clear? Thank you very much. Good evening. Good night. Okay.